Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be doing a quick review of Asebbo. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Asebbo deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. Asebbo is a brand that specializes in insulated lunch bags designed for both men and women. The company focuses on combining durability, functionality, and style, offering lunch bags that are practical for work, school, travel, and everyday use. One of Asebbo's biggest strengths is its construction. The bags are made from ultra-thick 16-ounce wax canvas, which is designed to be durable and long-lasting. This material gives the bags a premium feel while also helping them withstand daily wear and tear better than many standard lunch bags. Another advantage is the insulated design. Asebbo lunch bags are built to help keep food fresh, warm, or cool for longer periods, making them useful for commuters, office workers, students, and outdoor activities. The bags are also spacious enough to hold meals, snacks, and drinks while remaining easy to carry. Style is another area where Asebbo stands out. Rather than looking like traditional lunch boxes, the bags feature a more classic and versatile design that blends well with everyday outfits and work environments. This makes them appealing to adults who want a practical lunch bag without sacrificing appearance. The main drawback is that premium materials such as waxed canvas can make the bags more expensive than basic lunch bags. However, many users may find the added durability and design worth the extra cost. Overall, Asebbo is worth considering if you're looking for a durable, insulated lunch bag that combines practicality with a stylish design. The strong construction, spacious interior, and everyday versatility make it a solid choice for people who regularly bring meals from home. If you're looking for discounts, Asebbo frequently offers seasonal promotions, bundle deals, first-order discounts, and occasional coupon codes through its official website. Checking for active offers before purchasing can help you save money. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Asebbo deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.